This video is about building my first PC at home. And before we start the video, here's a quick disclaimer. I'm building this PC for personal work, some gaming, storage, and also for making the video editing easier. This is a 22-inch monitor from BenQ, Full HD with adaptive eye care. Price is around ₹9,000. And for the processor, I went for AMD Ryzen 5 2nd generation. It has an inbuilt graphic card and this cost me ₹19,000. Here is the motherboard, and the price is somewhere around ₹4,000. The power supply is from Corsair company and the price is ₹3,500. We have the SSD storage of 240GB and also 8GB RAM. These two components cost me ₹8,000. And of course the monitor has IPS display to provide accurate color and image reproduction. This gaming cabinet cost me ₹2,500. First thing first, let me set up the motherboard. This motherboard can support RAM up to 32GB and I'm planning to upgrade it soon. By the way, since this is the first time setting up a PC, it took almost 4 hours to complete. This entire PC setup cost me almost 50k. Okay, finally it is done and this is the best cable management I could possibly come up with. Please enjoy the cinematics. I have really enjoyed the process of making this video for you guys and I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys have enjoyed watching the video, hit the like and subscribe button for more content. That's it for the video. See you guys soon.